Hello friends, hope you are doing good. Today in this video we'll see uh, the difference, the comparison of Google Chrome browser and Mozilla Firefox browser. We'll see which one is the best browser and I'll suggest you personally which one browser is best. Currently I have opened Chrome browser tab. First I will see how you can download Chrome browser. Um, Type here Chrome browser. We'll find the official one website. This is the official one, the Google www.google.com. Click here. Simply click here download Chrome and the download will start it. After the downloaded file install that file, you'll have a logo on desktop of your Chrome browser. We'll see the benefits here. Browser with the power of Google. Yes, and you can, if you are a Google lover, you are using Google services, Google Cloud, Google Soft, Google Gmail, and the Google services. The best one is browser is from Chrome browser. We'll see the next one we have nominated is Mozilla Firefox. We'll go with the official one website. You can see here to download. Simply we have to click here on the download button. We'll see the benefits of Chrome browser and the Mozilla Firefox browser. The Firefox is fast, very fast browser, and they have many tools you can edit the theme, the font, the design, and the many more things in the Mozilla Firefox browser. To download Firefox browser, simply go to the official website and click here the download button. A file will be downloaded and install that file. You will find the Firefox shortcut on your desktop. Now we'll see the comparison here. We have simply typed Chrome says Firefox on the Google, and let's see what is the block here. Is Firefox better than Chrome in terms of privacy? Let's see. Yes, Firefox is developed by Mozilla, non-profit company that does not make its money from ads, so it less in is to collect user data. Chrome profits from collecting as much user data as possible from the creation of targeted ads. Yeah, Mozilla Chrome is better in the privacy option. They don't use your personal data. Let's see what is the difference between Firefox and Chrome. Firefox is free and open source web browser that provides a number of features for easy web browsing. Chrome browser is a free web browser, but it's not open source. It is the most used web browser for desktop. Yes, Chrome is the most used browser because it provides fast speed for Google services. But the Firefox is also a fast browser. It is better in the privacy. We'll see is Firefox safer than the Chrome browser. With your security settings fully optimized, there's not a huge difference between Firefox and Chrome. That said, many cybersecurity experts consider Chrome to be a market leader for a range of anti-malware threats that you might come into contact while browsing. We have seen the comparison here. In my suggestion, Firefox is best if you want to edit the desktop, you want to change the theme, you can change the background of the browsing, you can change the tabs difference. And while in Chrome browser there are simple view and you cannot edit any things. You can only make your you can only make your this browser dark or normal theme. You cannot change the things that can Mozilla Firefox can change. It is up to you. I'll suggest you to use Chrome and Mozilla Firefox both browser and then decide which one is best for you and your use. If you are privacy conscious, so you have to go with the Firefox browser. If you don't have any private things to do and you want a good speed, so then the Chrome browser is best browser for you. Hope you friends like this video, the comparison of Chrome browser and the Firefox browser. For more informative videos, like this video, have a comment and please subscribe this channel.